Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to check balance on TD Bank's ATM. In order to do that, the first thing that you need to do is to view your account balances. You need to select the account activity, then balances or updates when you reach the ATM welcome screen menu. Select the account balances. You will also see if there is any fee associated with other inquiries or activity statements. Now choose the account that you are inquiring about or select from all accounts to view a consolidated list of balances. After that, you need to choose whether you would like a printout now or if you want to display balances on the ATM screen and with an option to print later on. From the account balances display, you can opt print balances, move on to another transaction or request to return TD access card. So these are some of the steps that you need to take in order to view your balance in the TD Bank's ATM. If the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.